Hello, food explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we travel the world one bite at a time, uncovering the most delicious, exciting, and culturally rich dishes from every corner of the globe. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of vegetarian cuisine, showcasing some of the most unique and mouth-watering vegetarian dishes that are staples in their countries. Vegetarian food is a beautiful blend of creativity, culture, and history, offering endless possibilities with plant-based ingredients. Whether you're a dedicated vegetarian or someone just looking to explore new ways to enjoy vegetables, grains, legumes, and spices, you're in for a treat. From rich curries in India to fresh salads in the Mediterranean, we'll discover the diverse, vibrant flavors that make vegetarian dishes an essential part of every cuisine. Let's embark on this journey together and explore the must-try vegetarian meals from around the world. 1. India Bengan Barda, Smoky Eggplant Masala, a deep dive into Indian vegetarian cuisine. Indian cuisine offers an explosion of flavors, and with its abundance of vegetarian options, it's no surprise that many of the world's best-loved vegetarian dishes come from this region. One of the shining stars of vegetarian Indian food is Bengan Barda, a smoky, rich eggplant dish that has been a staple for centuries. What makes Bengan Barda so irresistible? Bengan Barda features charred roasted eggplant, mashed and cooked in a blend of onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and warming spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala. The eggplant's natural smokiness is brought out by roasting it over an open flame, infusing the dish with a unique depth of flavor that pairs perfectly with fluffy naan or rice. Smoky flavor? Roasting the eggplant brings out a smoky depth that makes this dish special, rich and hearty. The combination of spices with the roasted eggplant creates a comforting, thick, curry-like dish. Perfect pairing. Bengan Barda is typically served with naan bread, roti, or basmati rice to soak up every last bit of the flavorful sauce. Where to try it? To get an authentic taste of Bengan Barda, head to Delhi or Amritsar, where street vendors and home kitchens alike serve up this delicious dish daily. 2. Greece, Spanakopita, spinach and feta pie, a bite of Mediterranean magic. When you think of Mediterranean cuisine, one dish that immediately comes to mind is spanakopita, a flaky, buttery pastry filled with spinach, feta cheese, and fresh herbs. This dish is a beloved Greek classic that showcases the perfect balance of light, fresh, and savory flavors. Why spanakopita stands out? Flaky layers, the golden, crispy phyllo dough adds a satisfying crunch, enveloping a creamy spinach filling, rich and fresh. The blend of spinach and feta creates a creamy, savory filling that's light yet rich in flavor. Herbaceous twist. Fresh herbs like dill and parsley elevate the dish with bright, aromatic notes. Where to try it? For the most authentic spanakopita, visit Athens and sample the pies made fresh at local bakeries, or head to Santorini, where homemade pastries are served in every taverna. 3. Mexico Tacos de Naples, a cactus delight. Discovering the heart of Mexican vegetarian street food. Mexican cuisine is much more than just tacos with meat. Tacos de Naples, tacos filled with tender cactus pads. Naples offer a fresh, tangy twist on the classic taco. These tacos are an iconic part of Mexican street food, offering a light yet satisfying meal with unique flavors. What makes tacos de Naples special? Cactus as the star. The tender cactus adds a slightly tangy, crisp texture and is often with onions, tomatoes, and cilantro. Fresh and flavorful. The dish is usually topped with fresh lime, salsa, and avocado, adding layers of brightness and richness. Versatile. It's a great vegetarian alternative for anyone who loves tacos and is looking for a fresh option. Where to try it? For an unforgettable taco experience, head to Mexico City, where you can find authentic tacos de Naples sold at bustling street corners and mercados. For Thailand, Som Tam, spicy green papaya salad, a refreshing explosion of flavors. In Thailand, Som Tam green papaya salad is the ultimate street food for those who love fresh, bold flavors. This dish combines shredded green papaya, chilies, garlic, and fish sauce or soy sauce for a vegetarian version to create a tangy, icy, and slightly sweet salad that will make your taste buds tingle. What makes Som Tam irresistible, crunchy, and fresh? The papaya gives the salad a delightful crispness and fresh flavor. Balanced heat. A perfect mix of chilies, lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar creates a harmonious blend of spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. Textural contrast. The salad is often topped with roasted peanuts, adding a crunchy element to each bite. Where to try it? Street vendors in Bangkok and Chiang Mai serve some of the best Som Tam, where it's made fresh right before your eyes. 5. Lebanon Mujadara, a simple, comforting dish. The heart of Lebanese comfort food, mujadara is a hearty Lebanese dish made with lentils, rice, and crispy fried onions. Simple, comforting, and packed with plant-based protein. This dish is often served with a side of yogurt or a salad. Why mujadara is loved around the world? Hearty and nutritious. Lentils and rice make for a filling and protein-rich dish that's both comforting and healthy. Crispy onions. The golden crispy onions add a sweet crunch that perfectly contrasts the soft lentils. Cultural staple, it's often enjoyed as part of a meze spread, served alongside other flavorful vegetarian dishes like hummus and tabbouleh. Where to try it? Mujadara is found in Lebanese restaurants all over the world. But for the best, try it at Abu Eli in Beirut, where it's made with fresh, local ingredients. 6. Italica, a Sicilian eggplant stew. A traditional Italian vegetable medley. Caponata is a Sicilian eggplant stew that combines eggplant, tomatoes, olives, capers, and a variety of other vegetables into a tangy and savory dish. It's typically served at room temperature and is often enjoyed as a side dish, appetizer, or even a main. What makes caponata so special? Tangy flavor? The vinegar and sugar create a balanced sweet and sour flavor, making this dish stand out from other vegetable stews. Soft and savory. The eggplant becomes meltingly soft and pairs beautifully with the other vegetables. Versatile. Often served as a topping on bruschetta or with pasta for a filling meal. Where to try it? For an authentic taste, visit Palermo in Sicily, where caponata is made fresh daily at local trattorias. 7. Ethiopia shiro wat, a flavorful chickpea stew, a staple of Ethiopian cuisine. Shiro wat is a chickpea stew cooked with Berber spice mix, garlic, onions, and tomatoes. It's a rich, velvety dish, typically served with injera, a tangy sourdough flatbread that helps scoop up the flavorful stew. Why shiro wat is a mousse dry, spicy, and aromatic. The Berber spice mix adds layers of heat, depth, and complexity. Creamy texture. The chickpeas create a hearty, creamy base, making the dish both comforting and nutritious. Satisfying. This stew is protein-packed and filling, often eaten for lunch or dinner. Where to try it? For an authentic shiro wat experience, visit Addis Ababa, where local restaurants serve it with warm injera for the full Ethiopian experience. 8. China, Jawazi, dumplings filled with vegetables and tofu, a bite of traditional Chinese cuisine. Kawazi, or dumplings, are a staple of Chinese cuisine, typically filled with vegetables, tofu, and sometimes mushrooms. These dumplings are often steamed or pan-fried and are served with a soy-based dipping sauce. Why jawazi is so popular? Soft yet chewy. The dumpling dough creates a satisfying chewy bite. Fresh, light fillings. The tofu and vegetable mixture is light, yet savory with just the right amount of seasoning. Dipping sauce. The soy-based dipping sauce adds a salty umami kick that ties the whole dish together. Where to try it? The best jawazi can be found in Beijing or Shanghai, where they are made fresh and served in bustling street markets. Vegetarian cuisine is incredibly diverse, with each culture offering its own unique take on plant-based eating. Whether you're enjoying a smoky eggplant dish in India, a creamy risotto in Italy, or spicy chickpea stew in Ethiopia, there's a world of flavors and textures waiting for you. Which of these vegetarian dishes are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures with Global Eats Uncovered. See you in the next episode.